boss. She never stay born. I didn't say she don't born. I never born. No. I want trigger labor. My water must break this night. My water must break. If water not break, I don't have this live video. My water must break. Hey! Water must break. Back us. I don't dance, Richard. Thank you. No, wait till day. So tomorrow is the due date. Water must break. Finish to Saga, who send me? Who send me? Alright, Ekya, Brian here. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Unyo. Give me. Oh, not there, my people. Thank you guys for being here. Welcome to Lazy Ekya Talk Show. Woo. YouTube go block her. And for dancer, you know, says we will not sabi dance. Don't worry, darling. Safe delivery. Thank you so much, you people. This was me 2019. After dancing 2 hours later, I gave birth. Really? To my beautiful daughter. Wow. I need that, I beg. See, my people, I don't tire. You know, like yesterday, I sleep sideways for bed. Thank you. I sleep sideways, never sleep. I never bore. I'll born. Don't worry, next week I'll bring baby on Facebook. I'll born. Now pregnant. Now labor, I want trigger so. Enjoy your now my water go make poo. Easy baby, you are doing well. Thank you, my people. Now do well. See the belly dot they don't know what they are soon born. Try well, but it's not the twerking. I'm waiting for. What should they wait for? What should they wait for? And make a put pants. There's another one that they celebrate now. Need you enough for? Do you know what to for? Oh, thank you. I come on our page Facebook. Who they talk about Saga? You they crazy so gong boy. Share it, boy. I dey reply to people wey talk to me. Talk to me now if I not reply you. Who na one bully? Pregnant woman now bully me enter house. Who send una message? Ire Nigeria ma we to wire. Why your phone wire electric wire? You wa don't see more come. Me mu. Wow eh. Now one cause I get belle una contracting me to rule la wa. Vera me rag bomba. I wa why. Now so that this shall enter. This shall come and enter. This shall come and enter. Who say? Man enters in who we taking a bay. Who want me a fian boa? Hein? Dog bay me woman. Woman right. So I did. Who do queer woman when in lawa? Near Ladian. Me wa bully la wa me. Who that yama? If you buff your way, woman, I no more HIV. Wa maya kuela wa me wa do hula wa. Don't bully me. Get belly enters. You were the I decide baby enters. Man. Why Lord yadi? Why do you hoy? Bully me la. Why I build on it the baby always do vacuum your social media? Why we me rock ba? That's one winner. Ebe $100 we go no wale webo. Why me level? Why you moment to bear a live video? E what hospital work way? Is he allowed to on my live video? Live delivery. You gave me a Zoom white you. A Zoom white my boy wa muja 100 years why me be? Why mo wa? Why tiare bank in why amugo? Omomo wa yagbe. Ai wa why? E bo wa be gbe me gbomo wa me ri mari agbonse. O ko me mari agbonsa ti me a. Zig bagbon anyway, what I know watch it. And wag bit set a wag bit some. Ni wani bunora avokeru waju waya le binsine. Wameti we mi rockba. Na me una wa can do something. Me a belle. Me, okay, I don't verse, I'll born for live video. Down, call hospital tomorrow. Why Saturday? Your hospital they open anytime. Ya tinya do be a live video. Why be some? Wakegbe wa magbalazi. Me wa hendo be bieka. Hi. Na threatening that say. I told every time or I've been one. I have views. They don't have views. They don't taban. Tota na riyan. Mwen ko dade. But Mona not my meal. I not get level if not bill now. They not fit do anything, my people. Either their mama get level, make their pick get paper under 2 years of claiming asylum. Make their pikin to go viral for social media. Make their pikin marry a year later. Now they crazy, now get level. Now when don't they do anything? Uhe go viral with 2021. 2020 I be mine. Asha wona marry with 2021. Azijwe ato we no wenwe. We no penwe. Azera na ato we no penwe. I will get now condemning or vandalizing agmo when I feel with ye poo under 1 year. When it acting, nige dera mazen, dijwe mazen. Aye tuwe kwake kan mwere ye dwosi now. Merea, oh wait, azen wayaria mayogi mayama. Okay, nonsense. Azen we acting. As ijwe na gele atin rana atin. How many are you 1 year when we are the winner? 12 months or more. I can't you can right now when we are the winner. Ya no netiti. Azin yo ko wairai. Era mazen. O sunderahin. Era you be waiting. Ya wole swe. Era you be waiting. No, oh, that's so nice. Do tia boy do ali do avie. Wa we kwene. Ya pa kon. Yari azangbon. Tami jwe no tinse. Kamera okian vie no mu ye keroto. Era wa lovi o wa mu aoroto. Eri azen ya vi azen mu ye keroto. Wa bege no kian bege no di. Imerave na ya tinye. Azen ra otiko na riyoe. Lawa, mwekodadze, lawa. Wa lawa re Nigeria, wa yari Nigeria wa lawa. Lawa kia woso ado fio boyo wonu ne ya teme ni geta na. Wa ego unumege na ati ono. Awa twe yo wa ginkwa na weni yeta ma we na weni. Oh, let's see this person. Amazing, James. Thank you so much. Your support on my page. You're absolutely amazing. Another one they say they know people will love person. Thank you so much. Oga, go where? Or what in for? Ogechi, what Ogechi do? Wabeye maya giene. Agi wa mwemi dan. Wa may celebrate otin one obie. O kan wane. May you celebrate every dia. Imade you know agbon sama kwe ye o. Tede, I believe you, my sister. When I shop better wish azeta. Wa the Facebook wa mighty bounce back. Disgrace wa mighty bounce back. The sense stepping meladian. I became poor more. You understand? You're there apologetic and then bounce back. Now that one they say they know better wish. Good wish, you show better wish, you understand? You bounce back. Who bounce back, alright? Not the shop here, yeah, wish. Thank you, my people. If it says I black for YouTube, you don't believe. iPhone camera is absolutely rubbish. Ooh. Easy go born now. Easy go born till Monday. Not till Monday. I hope so. See my belly don't dey ground like this. It don't sit down like I'm ready to come. Break the water, my picking. Scatter and oi. Don't make push. My born for live video. I'm new here. I welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, no criticism. Welcome. My name is a shower where they read book. Call me Ekya queen. Some people call me Ekya slave because I worship my husband Bola. All right, okay. And I like when I'm following a man, they put a ring on it. So now, so I put my standard down, and my husband put a ring on it in less than 8 months. Okay. So yeah, welcome, my darling. I worship my husband's dick. Okay. Just so you know, in case. That's why I worship. That's my second God. Thank you for joining. No criticism here, okay? All right. Your English is polished. Oh my God, it's there. Some people said I'm putting it on. All right. They said I'm putting it on. They're like, oh my gosh, she's faking an accent. That's not an accent, you know. She's a doge. Dog people don't know how to talk English. How come she can talk English? Oh my God. Easy, look, yo. My pants. Oh, what did they? Go, see. You know, say pregnant woman, everything they leak follow pants. Water don't bust. It never bust me. They go, I don't know, say bust. I get up for bed constant. I can't tell my husband, say, nah, food though. He say, ah, yeah, because I know they tell you since then. Bed they stay every day. When you take the gimme your bed. I said, nah, food stay on, I be me down, nah, food that you give me. Historic. Mukos. Every time I part to go mama like this, you know, pregnancy, then you just like throw away every time. As you say, check your pants, I quickly do like this, whether or not they see the mark where they soak. Boho, they said my toto at this point. Oh gosh, hang on a minute. Hi. To carry belly for 9 months, 9 good months is not really easy, sha. You know, easy. God bless all the women. May you guys see. Now somebody they follow my pregnancy. They pray for women so. Okay, madam, where they find picky or Gaia. Grab your pregnancy before I sit back down. You don't need to put it on the comment section. Just meditate. Grab it. Grab your miracle. Grab your miracle. If I shower fi marry carry belle bon, why you not go bunny? Carry am. Tap it. In fact, kiss her. Posa. It is yours. Wish you what you wish me, baby. Okay. Grab it. Yet it's a lemon. Picking the sweet and yeah. The feelings, everything like, oh, at the house today. I better go. Wait till I go put for hospital bag. Oh, I don't forget. I don't know. Wait till I go put for hospital bag. And my mama say, put this. Pull that. Pull baby bottle. Put this one. I can't say, okay, I don't put that one. Put baby oil. Now say, I forget to, I still need to carry baby oil. He said, put her inside. I don't know, say, I need to carry baby oil. Now carry baby oil. Chew for inside. I need powder. I don't know. I not carry powder. Nothing the inside. Now just filters my clothes and no more thing. Iya me baby oye ina ima with baby oye miamiane obi me ni kabie a trauma omwe mi ya imagine mi rokbara mawe. You are fun to be with. I know, right? Because if you sabi talk about yourself, it's good. You know they talk about people, so yeah, people kind of like it, you know. Oh, the Lord is your strength. Thank you so much. I really